Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. It's your girl Beloved and I'm back with a new recipe for the channel. Beloved Catering Service is a business where we make all kinds of cakes, butter cookies, shortbread cookies, coconut biscuits, sugar cookies, brownies, ring donuts, meat pies, samosa, spring rolls, and all kinds of fruit drinks and fruit juices, especially sobolo. We also make all local rice dishes and Ghanaian authentic dishes. We cater for all events and occasions and any form of gatherings. You can contact us with the information provided on your screen. Guys, as we all know, this is a very festive season, and also this month stands for the most precious month in my life because it's your girl's birthday this month and there's a whole lot to be celebrated. Since this month is my birthday month and also Christmas, I would like to call this month December to remember. Oh yes, it's indeed December to remember. And with that being said, I want to seize this opportunity to wish each and every December born here a very happy birthday. Not forgetting myself as well. And I would also like to wish each and everyone a Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year. We hope that next year brings us so much good and so much happiness and also strong faith in God. In today's video, we are making a yogurt starter with 2 ingredients. One will be done with dried chili peppers and then the other will be done with lemons. These are the ingredients we are using for today's starter. We have our milk here, which is 1 cup of milk. We have 2 bowls here with their lids. We have some dried chili pepper, 1 medium-sized lemon, a napkin, our non-stick pan here, 2 towels, our food warmer, and then a chopping board, a spatula, and a knife for cutting the lemon. Before that, I would be very happy if you could subscribe to my channel right now and then turn on your post and notification icon so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video onto the channel. And please share my videos with your friends and family. Please subscribe. So I've placed on the pan. I'm going to pour in the milk and we are going to allow it boil for a few minutes. Not so boiling, but we mix as the boil is ongoing until the milk becomes a bit warm, which can start the process of the starter. You see that milk has started warming up just as we want it to be. So at this point, I'm going to take it off the stove and place it here. So this is it. As you can see. So I'm going to slice the lemons. These are the lemon slices. And these are chili peppers with the stems. So at this point, I'm going to pour the milk into these 2 bowls here. So this is how they look like. Into the smaller one, I'll place in these chilies here. And then the 2 stems. Into the other one, I'm going to place in the lemon slices. Cover with the lid. Do same for this. Then I'm going to leave it for about 6 to 8 or at most 24 hours, which is the next day. So we are going to place it into my food warmer here. I'll first of all lay this inside. this in this towel as well. So we place the first one inside. Do same for the second one, and then we cover. So it's going to sit for 24 hours, and then we'll continue this process tomorrow. So this is the food warmer after 24 hours. This is the pepper based, and this is the lemon based. So here you can see that it's formed, and then in this, so I'm grabbing 2 spoons here. The first one is to remove, and then place it here. As I thought it would. So I think I'll have to try this process again and give you guys feedback on how to go about it. As for the lemon, this is the first one. I've got one here. This is the next one. And then this. So that is it. This is our yogurt starter, which you can use to make your own yogurt at home. So I want to sieve it. So this is it, and that's what we are going to use for our yogurt. And Merry Christmas to you as well. This festive season, I hope it brings you joy, love, and you're able to share with all your friends and loved ones as well. And this is where today's video ends. Thank you so much for watching. Make it a point to watch all our new videos this and every Thursday and Sunday for wholesome content and amazing recipes you can try with your friends and family. This festive season, I want to use this opportunity to let you know that Beloved Catering Service is having a promo where we are going to give some discounts on other baked goods from us. So you can check that out on the channel on our community section where the flyer is. If you are in Ghana, this is your opportunity to grab something delicious from our end, and I promise you are going to enjoy it. Also, we post short videos from Sunday to Sunday, which is throughout the week, so you can check that out as well. Share our videos with your friends and family on our behalf. Subscribe to the channel. Do all the good stuff for us. Follow us on all our socials. So we meet again, dear viewers. Bye bye.